SD Touch 2. Cake function. Use the cake function to control how the fan operate during recipes when baking sensitive products, or products with batter that might need to harden or get a little baked before the fans start. This is how the cake function works. The cake function starts after the set time in the recipe. Before that, the fan is inactive. For example, 50 seconds into the recipe, the cake function starts. The fan repeat the sequence with set time for active fan and inactive fan. For example, 20 seconds active fan, then 20 seconds inactive fan. Repetitive. The cake function stops after set percentage of the recipe. For example, the cake function shall be active for 75% of the recipe. For the rest of the recipe, the fan is active. To activate the cake function, press Settings. Enter PIN code and press OK. Enter the service menu and choose the Bake tab. Swipe down to Cake function. Activate by moving the on-off button to the left, making it green. Cake. Fan time on means the time the fans is active for in each interval. Cake. Fan time off means the time the fans is inactive for in each interval. Cake. Active period means how many percent of the recipe the function shall be active for. With the above settings, the fans are active for 20 seconds, then inactive for 20 seconds, repetitive for 50% of the recipe. The cake function is now activated. Notice that the cake function only works with recipes. Go back to main menu and enter the recipe menu. Create a new recipe or edit a saved recipe. Make your time and temperature settings. Then click on the Cake tab. Click on the plus icon to add a cake function action. The selected percent of baking time will be shown. In above example, it is 50% of the recipe. This can be changed to desired value. In the second box, make settings for how long into the recipe the function shall start. Sensitive products may need longer time before fans start. Save the recipe. When running above recipe, the fans will start after set value 60 seconds into the recipe. The fans will run for 50% of the total recipe time, with repetitive intervals of 20 seconds active and 20 seconds inactive.